Okay, today we're getting new windows in the house, so we have to clear all the stuff in front of the windows. Like here, we moved the sofas over here, got that, and took the window treatment, the vertical blinds off there. So here you can see it's pretty chaotic on our house. We've got stuff moved all around, and here's the back room where I've cleared out stuff so they can get to these windows there. I'm going to place these windows. Nice thing about these back windows is this is not a bedroom, so I'll install what they call a picture window, where it doesn't have that vertical bar and the window doesn't slide, doesn't open. So one piece of glass will fill that in both of these two windows. And here you can see I've got stuff moved out of the storeroom back there, or the laundry room, excuse me. That's my next project, is to take out those cabinets on the left where that ladder's leaning up against, and then do that, just that one floor there. Here we've got temporary shelving for our pantry. Yeah. So this whole back room, that's my next little project.